When you're trying to get pregnant, your mind often fills with thousands of questions, right? And you wish, what if there was someone who could explain you everything? What's happening? Why it's happening? A friend who understands fertility, who truly knows your cycle patterns, especially when getting pregnant feels difficult. If you have ever felt this way, I have got good news for you. Today I'm going to introduce you to a companion, a true partner in your journey, someone who understands your body and cycle deeply. So let's welcome your fertility companion, Premom. This is not just an app, but a companion in your journey to natural pregnancy. Come on, let's explore it together. As soon as you open the app, you see a clean and simple homepage. At the top, you see your cycle status, and below that, there are three main features: period tracker, upload test, and daily logs. These three features form the foundation of your pregnancy journey. Come on, let's understand them one by one. Just tap on period tracker. You will see a simple calendar. Select your period dates, adjust your days, and save. That's it. Easy, right? Second is upload test. Here, you can upload your ovulation test and pregnancy test. Third is daily logs. Here, you can record your daily signs and symptoms like your flow, cervical mucus texture, intercourse updates, and mood swings. And it is important to do this because the more information you give the app, the better it understands your cycle and gives better predictions. Now let's check the other options. Next to the home tab, you can see calendar tab. Here you can see your periods, ovulation, and fertile window, everything in one place. Next to the calendar option, you can see AAE, Ask an Expert. This option allows you to ask our fertility experts any fertility related question at the comfort of your home by paying a very nominal fee. Our fertility experts will respond within the next 24 hours. Here you can also see the questions asked by other users and also the expert answers. Amazing, isn't it? Next to AAE, you can see Premom products. You can order our products from the comfort of your home by just a click. Not only this, Premom also gives you community support. In this, you can meet, talk, and learn from other women like you. Now, let's go to the profile icon. The app changes itself according to your need. Just select your goal, and all the other support will be given by the app. If you're tracking your pregnancy, select Track Pregnancy mode. If you're trying to conceive, select Trying to Conceive mode. And if you're just tracking your cycle, then select Track My Cycle mode. You can also set reminders in the app. So the app keeps reminding you of the important things in the middle of your busy schedule. Like, you can set reminders for ovulation test, you can set reminders for BBT, and you can also set reminders if you're taking any medications or supplements. You can also set reminders to track your baby kicks. Isn't Premom like your caring companion? Below the reminders option, you can see cycle reports option. In this, you can get your cycle analysis report or your cycle comparison report with the previous cycle. You can find everything here. All you need to do is log your periods, log your intercourse, symptoms, cervical mucus, pregnancy test, LH test, mood, weight, and BBT. Look, there is a more option. This has pre-dad feature. In this, you can invite your partner or husband so that they can also see your cycle patterns because you're not alone in this journey. Along with this, you get blogs, ebooks, videos, and Ask AI feature on the Premium app so that you always have the right knowledge. The premium feature on the Premium app can make your journey even easier. You get amazing benefits here like cycle comparison report, cycle analysis report, cycle gallery, PCOS self assessment, health assessment tools, pre dad, premium in two modes, expert answers library, and discounted Ask an Expert feature. You will also be eligible to register in exclusive webinars. And you can also make your custom avatars. Premom app shows your ovulation test and BBT results on chart also. Now, with such amazing features, isn't it your true fertility companion? So, download Premom now and start tracking. And if you have any questions, go to Ask an Expert feature. Download the Premom app now.